Good day everyone, good afternoon sir. Today, we will going to discuss the central nervous system, the peripheral nervous system, and the autonomic nervous system.
And for our objective, first, describe the function of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Second, understand the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system related. Then lastly, understand the autonomic nervous system and the importance of it.
The nervous system is considered the boss of the human body. Why boss? Is because it issues the orders and control and regulates everything the organism does. It controls the organs and other part of the body, act as an organ of the mind, regulates body heat, secretion of digestive juices, and exertion of waste. It is also controls every movement that is made. The fundamental unit of the nervous system is the nerve cell or neuron, which is found or makikita ito sa lahat ng various part of the nervous system and especially in the brain and spinal cord. And also, a network of billions of nerve cells linked together in a highly organized fashion to form the rapid control center of the body. The nervous system or our nervous system is organized into two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. So, let us now listen to the next reporter.
The primary function of the central nervous system is integration and coordination. The CNS receives input from a variety of different sources and implements an appropriate response to the stimuli in a cohesive manner. What is central nervous system? The central nervous system or CNS consists of the brain and the spinal cord. This body system is responsible for integrating and coordinating the activities of the entire body. Through these physical structures, thoughts, emotions, and sensations are experienced, and the body movements are coordinated. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. It is referred to as central because it combines information from the entire body and coordinates activities across the whole organisms. So, the central nervous system is responsible for carrying information from the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. Brain. Brain is the most complex part of the body. We have 6 main sections. These are the cerebrum, cerebellum, diencephalon, midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. These 6 main sections plays a central role in the control of most bodily function, including awareness, thoughts, movements, sensation, speech, and memory. The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerves and cells that extends from the lower portion of the brain to the lower back. It carries signals between the brain and the rest of the body. The spinal cord is divided into 4 regions: the cervical, the thoracic, the lumbar, and the spinal nerves that merge to form the peripheral nerves.
The peripheral nervous system is one of the 2 components that make up the nervous system of bilateral animals, with the other part being the central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system consists of the nerves and ganglia outside the brain and spinal cord. What is peripheral nervous system? The peripheral nervous system connects to the CNS and to the rest of the body. The primary function of the peripheral nervous system is to connect the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body and the external environment. The peripheral nervous system transmits information to and from the CNS. What does the peripheral nervous system do? First, connects the central nervous system to the organs, limbs, and skin. Carries sensory and motor information to and from the central nervous system. Allows the brain and spinal cord to receive and send information to other areas of the body. Regulates involuntary body functions like heart, beat, and breathing. So how does CNS and PNS are related? The central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system includes all of the nerves that branch out from the brain and spinal cord and extend to the other parts of the body including muscles and organs. Each part of the system plays a vital role in how information is communicated throughout the body. What is peripheral system and what is its main function? The main function of peripheral nervous system is that peripheral nervous system is connected to the CNS, to the organs, limbs, and skin. So how does peripheral nervous system connected to PE? Simple. Why? Because we all know that the peripheral nervous system is not only stimulates muscle, but it also stimulates all of the body tissues and organs. PNS enable us to control and coordinate all the body's activities. It enables performers to produce high-precision movements repeatedly, while other functions such as the beating of heart carry on automatically.
And now I will discuss what is autonomic nervous system or ANS. The autonomic nervous system or ANS is the part of the peripheral nervous system that acts as a control system, functioning largely below the level of consciousness and controlling visceral functions. This picture shows the autonomic nervous system. Example of the body processes controlled by autonomic nervous system or ANS include heart rate, digestion, respiratory rate, salivation, perspiration, pupillary dilation, urination, and sexual arousal.
The autonomic nervous system has two main divisions, sympathetic and parasympathetic.
The sympathetic division does the following. It prepares the body for stressful or emergency situation, fight or flight. Thus, the sympathetic division increases heart rate and force of the body contraction and widens the airways to make breathing easier. It causes the body to release and store energy. Muscular strength is increased. This division also causes palms to sweat, pupils to dilate, and hair to stand on end. It slows body processes that are less important in emergencies, such as digestion and urination. The parasympathetic division does the following. Controls the body process during ordinary situations. Generally, the parasympathetic division conserves and restores. It slows the heart rate and decreases blood pressure. It stimulates the digestive tract to process food and eliminate waste. Energy from the processed food is used to restore and build tissues. Both the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions are involved in sexual activity as the parts of the nervous system that control voluntary actions and transmit sensation from the skin. Many organs are controlled primarily by either the sympathetic or the parasympathetic division. Sometimes the two divisions have opposite effects on the same organ. For example, the sympathetic division increases blood pressure and the parasympathetic division decreases it. Overall, the two divisions work together to ensure that the body responds appropriately to different situations. Now we will proceed of how importance of autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system plays an important role in the human body, controlling many of the body autonomic processes. This system also helps prepare the body to cope with stress and threats, as well as returning the body to a resting state afterward. The autonomic nervous system regulates a variety of the body process that takes place without conscious effort. The autonomic system is the part of the peripheral nervous system that is responsible for regulating involuntary body functions such as heartbeat, blood flow, breathing, and digestion. And that would be all. Thank you.